continue profit and loss, exercise 12.4, page number 161. In this we will learn how to find the profit percent. Profit percent will be profit over cost price into 100. Similarly, loss percent, loss over cost price into 100. Because cost price is always fixed. Therefore, in this formula we write cost price in the denominator. Because in selling price, some shopkeeper sell it for 100 rupees, to other person he sells for 120 rupees. Selling price is never fixed. But cost price will remain fixed. So come to exercise 12.4. First, second, third and ninth questions are in your syllabus. Come to first question. Bishu bought a carpet for rupees. Question number 1. Bought means cost price of carpet. What is the cost price of carpet? Rupees 20,000. Got it? Then he is saying he sold it for. Sold means selling price of carpet. What is the selling price of carpet? Rupees 21,000. Now tell me, is there profit or loss? See, selling price is more. That means there is a profit. Profit is SP minus, you have to write the formula. There are step marking in mathematics. For every step you will get 1 or 2 marks. So this will be 21,000 minus 20,000. That is rupees 1,000. Now what is the formula for profit percent? All of you know profit over cost price into 100. What is the profit here? Tell me students. 1,000. What is the cost price here? 20,000 into 100. Cut the zeros, 3 from the back. This zero cancels. 2 ones are, 2 fives are. That is 5%. All of you understood this sum? All of you learn these formulas. And notes I have already sent in the campus here. You note it from here, there and make your copy neatly. Your copy should be neat and clean. I will give special marks for neatness. Second question. Mohan bought a sofa for 6,400. Cost price of sofa is rupees 6,400 and sold it for. Selling price of sofa. How much is the selling price of sofa? Rupees 7,200. Now tell me, selling price is more. That means there is a profit. Profit is SP minus CP. That is rupees 7,200 minus rupees 6,400. So subtract it, we will get rupees 800. You can subtract it in the rough column. Find the profit percent. Profit percent is profit over cost price into 100. What is the profit here? 800. What is the cost price? 6,400. Multiply by 100. 2 zeros, 2 zero cancel. 8 ones are, 8 eights are 64. 4 twos are, 4 twos are 8, 20, 4 fives are. That is 25 over 2. That is 12.5%. All of you understood this? Yes. Now come to the third question. Take out students third question. Shopkeeper bought 20 kg of tea at rupees 140 per kg. That means cost per means 1. Cost price of 1 kg tea. How much is the cost price of 1 kg tea? Rupees 140. How much kg he bought? He bought 20 kg. So cost price of 20 kg tea. For more we have to multiply 140 into 20. See the multiplication. 14 twos are 28. How many zeros at the back? 2 zeros. So that is rupees 2,800. He sold it at the cost of 165 per kg. Selling price of 1 kg tea is rupees 165. How much kg he will sell? 20 kg. Selling price of 20 kg tea is 165 into 20. You can multiply 165 into 2 in the rough column. 330 rupees. 330. That means 165 2 the 330. 10 at the back. Now see, there is a profit or loss. Selling price is more. Cost price is 2800. There is a profit. Profit will be SP minus CP. That is 3300 minus 2800. That is rupees 500. Now we have to find the profit percent. Profit over cost price is, we have to take total cost price. 2800 into 100. 2 zeros, 2 0 cancel. 4 sevens are, 4 2s are 8, 24 5s are. 25 5s are 125 over 7. You can change it into decimals. 125 over 7 ones are 7. 55, 7 sevens are 49. Then 6 here, decimal, 0 put it. 7 8s are 56. Then again 4, 7 5s are 35. It goes on, so we can round off 17.86%. Because calculation is going on continuously, so you can round up 5 to 6. This question is complete. Now come to the fourth question. That is question number 9. See question number 9. Last question of this exercise. A transistor was bought. Bought means cost price of transistor. Cost price of transistor is how much? Rupees 350. Then and sold it. Selling price of transistor is rupees how much? Rupees 350. Now tell me, is there profit or loss? Now see, cost price is more. That means there is a loss. Loss is CP minus SP. That is 350 minus rupees 350. That is rupees 35. Loss percent. That is loss over cost price into 100. What is the loss? 35. What is the cost price? 350. Multiply by 100. 0 0 cancels. Cancels 10%. One more, students, I want to clear you in 12.1 exercise. I didn't teach you 6th question. So I am going to teach that 6th question. Look, take out page number 12.1 exercise. Question number 6. Harish bought a second-hand typewriter for rupees 1200. Cost price of typewriter, second-hand typewriter. How much is the cost price? Rupees 1200. Now what he has spent? He spent 200 on repair. Money spent on repair. Money spent on repair. How much money did he spend on repair? Rupees 200. Now total cost price. Repairing charges will be our charge. Total cost price will be 1200 plus 200. That is rupees 1400. Got it, students? Now he sold it for 1680. Selling price is rupees 1680. Now see, selling price is more, so there is the profit. Profit will be SP minus total cost price. That is 1680 minus 1400. That is rupees 280. We have to find the profit. Profit is 280. With this, we are finishing profit and loss. All of you revise this chapter properly. I will take test 1 test on the campus care I will send. Okay, thank you students.